Spotify Premium for 3 months. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can get Spotify Premium but only for 3 months, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to get Spotify Premium but then only for the first 3 months, in that case, I would recommend you open Google, type in Spotify Premium for 3 months, okay? So when you type this, you'll find the first link from Spotify.com. So remember, tap on the first link from Spotify that says get Spotify Premium free for 3 months, or I'll make sure to drop this link below. Once you've done that, make sure that you're logged into your Spotify account where you want to go ahead and then get the premium. It says also Premier, so you can see get Spotify Premium free for 3 months and only $10.99 a month after, right? So for 3 months it's completely free, so you can tap on the start free trial option here, and once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and simply select a plan and then just tap on the get option, and then you'll be able to get it for free. And this way you should be able to get Spotify Premium for 3 months. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.